start in 3, 2, 1, let go. Both teams are starting off strong. Looks like this team over here is collecting objects. This team has just put the shark off of its tank. They have also put the coral and have made it back to their starting position. This team is doing the same as well. Both teams are back at their starting line so that they can tear down the robots to start again. What will they do next? Looks like this team has just transferred their robot onto the other side. This team just barely missed the shark. They're both doing very well at this moment. This team just got the unidentified object off of the tower. This team just set up the map successfully. And both teams are ready to reach the next task. This team, the robot is transferring sides, and they have 1 minute left. This team has successfully put up the cage, and this team has successfully placed the unidentified object. Both teams have around 30 seconds left to complete whatever task they have left. This team is so close to getting that last object, but missed it. Both teams have 15 seconds left on the clock. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,